Here is how an actor prepares for an audition. Getting the invitation. The process starts when an actor's agent or an online casting site sends them a casting notice. This notice tells the actor about the character and the story. The actor also receives sides, which are the specific pages of the script they need to perform. Studying the script. The actor reads the script many times to understand the story. They ask themselves, who is this person? The character. What do they want? The goal. Who are they talking to? The relationship. Memorizing lines. The actor must memorize their lines perfectly. This is called being off book. If they aren't thinking about the words, they can focus on the emotions. Many actors use apps to record the other characters' lines so they can practice at home. Choosing the right clothes. Actors don't usually wear full costumes. Instead, they wear clothes that hint at the character. For example, if the role is a doctor, they might wear a clean blue button-down shirt. If the role is a hiker, they might wear a flannel shirt and boots. Recording or showing up. There are 2 ways to audition today. Self-tapes. The actor records themselves at home using a camera, a simple ring light, and a neutral background. They then email the video to the casting office. In person. The actor goes to a studio. They wait in a holding room with other actors until their name is called. The performance. Inside the room, the actor performs the scene for the casting director. Sometimes the director will give a redirect. This means they ask the actor to try the scene again, but in a different way. For example, try it more angrily, or try it as a joke. It is very important for actors to listen and change their performance quickly. The callback. If the directors liked the first audition, they invite the actor back for a callback. This is a second interview. Often the actor meets the big boss, the director or producer. They might also do a chemistry read, where they act with another actor to see if they look good together on screen. The result. After the audition, the actor usually does not hear anything back unless they get the job. This can be hard, so professional actors learn to forget the audition as soon as it is over and start preparing for the next one. Here is our young actress auditioning. Good evening. How are you?
Not so good. I had a bad morning.
Can I help you?
I hope so. I lost my book.
Oh dear. May I see your library card?
I'll look for it in my pocket. I could not find it this morning.
Oh dear. 2 things are lost.
I guess I need a new card. I will pay for the book.
Please provide proof of identification.
I will dig through my purse. Please wait a moment.
I found the title of your lost book. I'm sorry I laughed. It's called Never Lose Anything Again.
Well, I didn't read it.